Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Chatbot. I know why we click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Chatbot Nova app. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click on clear cache. In this page you will click on clear cache like this. When you click on storage, when you enter to storage, you will find this page. You will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking